Hello, and I hope you are doing well today. We did a air blast load, a severe load, or a sandwich panel which is made with aluminium. You can see the middle as the core. These are the aluminium and two plates at the top and the bottom of the model. And we can see it in this view also. It is better. The meshless is better. See here is the geometries, top plate, bed plate, and these are the core. And if I click on this, you can see the deformation after the severe load. You can see, and if I click on this, you can see the damage which has happened in the model under the explosion load, which is come from the TNT explosion. And this is the deformation and also the damage which has happened in the composite panel. This composite panel are used widely as the absorbent energy in the crash-worthy impact, but it can be used also in the protection wall. And you can see this is the final view of the damage. Then we can request, for instance, plastic strain, air stress or displacement. Now let me replace this this 5 part instance. You can see here 5 part instance as the middle. uh, these 3 are failed completely, but the other partially failed, and we can check, for instance, displacement for them, but it is not important. JC model is okay, is important. See damage. The middle here has the bigger damage than the other. Now let me replace 2 plates here. Plates failed also. See, let me use this. Okay, this is the graphical view of the model. We can have also the force of the this is the reaction force of the boundary zone. The boundary zone is here and here, and you can define anything else. You can use different geometry, material, or anything, but as a good result, this is a composite uh, protection wall which is made with aluminium. You can fill this aluminium core with anything like concrete, like soil, stone, or anything else. Okay, if you need to model this protection aluminium wall against the blast load, severe blast load, you can come to our website here, abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial and search it in the search section of the website. Then click on title or blue sign. You will have the geometry, assembly, material step interaction, then the result as figures. So the file contains CAE, IMP, paper, English video, or reference for the material, and the cost is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me with this email. Also, if you need to learn Abaqus uh, in all domains and be master in modeling and simulation, you can use our full package here, which is It is contain about 400 more than 400 tutorials about all aspects of simulation and modeling Abaqus. You can see here these are the main titles and these are the subtitles for the package in the Abaqus. For instance, here explosion, impact, welding, biomechanics, forming, cracked soil, CFD, FSI, thermal analysis, thermal structure, cycling loading, masonry, DEM method, SPH method, Eulerian method, pull-out test, composite material, concrete structure, steel structure, seismic simulation, anything electromagnetic. You can find anything in this full package, and the cost for that is 230 euros. You can't find it anywhere with this price, this full package. So if you want this full package, contact us to this email to get more information about the content of H tutorial, payment method, anything. Thank you for your attention.